Once there was a man, he was searching for something under a street light. A passerby who was walking across the street saw him and asked him, "What have you lost?" He said, "I have lost my keys." So that gentleman also started helping him to find his keys. After searching for 15-20 minutes, this gentleman asked him, "Are you sure you lost the key here?" And this person says, "No, actually I lost the key in the dark over there. But since there's more light here, I thought I'll look for the key under the street light." The person cursed him and said, "You are mad. You wasted my time. When you lost your key in another place, why are you looking at it in this place?" This is precisely what happens in some people's life. They want to be successful. They want to achieve their goals. But instead of looking inside, they are looking at outside. They're looking for external factors, external reasons as to why they have not been able to achieve their goals. Some people blame it on luck. Some people blame it on external forces. But they will never ever look inside and try to find what exactly they need to do, which will turn things around and help them to achieve their goals. So this is the message I wanted to convey to you today. If you want to be successful, the key to success lies right within you. The first thing you need to do is introspect and find out what all you need to do. Have clarity on your goals. Make a plan to achieve those goals. And finally, act on those action items so that you can really achieve your goal. I hope you like this short story, because what I wanted to convey to you is that even Stephen Covey had said the circle of influence is very important. And what he meant by circle of influence was that whatever is under your control, don't blame it on others, don't blame it on circumstances. What you can control is what you can make it happen. The best way to create future or predict future is to create it. Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay healthy. I'll come back to you with another story. Until then, take care. Goodbye.